Luqalile ukusebenza uhlelo lokuthi kubhaliswe zonke izimoto ezingena neziphuma kulelizwe kusetshenziswa uhlelo lwakwa-SARS. I-SARS ithi lo mthetho uzokwenza ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ihambisane nemithetho yakwamanye amazwe yemingcele iqinise nokuphepha emingceleni.
Today then we are launching for SACU. However, we've been communicating with our travelers, including the trucks that are foreign registered vehicles, small vehicles and trucks, that they should start declaring prior the 1st, so that we should minimize congestion because we've got limited infrastructure at the ports of entry.
If there's any criminal activity that is perpetuated using those vehicles, we are able to know when did they come into the country, who brought them into the country.
Ayikho imali ekhokhwayo uma ubhalisa imoto yakho ngokwe-SARS. Abashayeli balwemukele ngezandla ezifudumele lolu hlelo.
I'm traveling to Joburg with a Botswana registered car. I came to know about the new procedure, so I got my to the SARS online port. I applied and entered. I got a permission.
This is my first encounter without, normally we've been crossing without declaring the vehicles. We've just been like registering them, that we are using cars to cross on.
Lolu hlelo ke luyingxenye yokuguqula umsebenzi owenziwa emingceleni yakuleli nokuletha ubuqotho emingceleni. I-SARS ithi iyimisele ukubhekana nazo zonke izingqinamba okungenzeka sifike nalolu hlelo olusha lwemingcele.